This video is just going to be a quick peek at 1FUNRYD's H22 swap. This one's notable because it's one of the only swaps, or maybe the only swap, that has all accessories. That's air conditioning, power steering, and cruise control. An air conditioning shop made these hybrid AC lines. The power steering reservoir was moved here and the lines extended. The pressure line is a custom one made by 1FUNRYD. The cruise control actuator was moved behind and underneath the intake manifold. Since the intake is occupying the space where the battery used to be, a 51R battery was installed under the vacuum box. Here's the traction bar, skid bar, and ground clearance.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go from the start.